Exactly. There you go, box number 2. Box 44, 11, now 44. Duplicating numbers, maybe so we got duplicating players. 4411. No, all the dollars, something like that. So low, no, here we go, good luck. Come on, again. It's just sticky, flat out sticky, very thin. Very thin. There's a thin autograph in here. So a base. Okay. And is there another base? Alright, those are all the base. Sorry, I want to make sure I don't miss hits or something. Here we go. Byron Scott for the Lakers. Base. 70 of 99. Dominique Wilkins Hall of Fame for the Hawks. 7 of 25. And Jerry West Hall of Fame for the Lakers. West is 6 of 25. Here we go, good luck. First hit, number to 99 dual jersey of Evan Turner for the Sixers. I'm on the board, Evan Turner. Number to 99 DeMar DeRozan timeline jersey for the Raptors. Paul Pierce timeline 15 of 99 for the Celtics. That's 3 jerseys. Number 1 of 99 Kiki Vandeweghe jersey for the Denver Nuggets. eBay 101 Kiki 1 of 99. Let's see if we get 4 autos. First one, Spurs jersey, Richard Jefferson, number to 99. And we get 3 autos. One skinny. First one is for the Rockets, number 20 of 25 of Clyde Drexler. All decade. Nice, 20 out of 25. For the Boston Celtics. Look where he signed it, really? And there's a ding, like a dent in the card above it. Look where he signed it. Jersey auto of Robert Parrish, number 22 of 25 for the Celtics. You gotta be kidding me, dude. Wow. Big ass white space down there. He signs it right above the little jersey, and the little tiny squeaks it in right above the jersey. Alright, and here is whatever this is. Good luck. Oh, more Aldrich. And Xavier Henry. Cole Aldrich, Xavier Henry. Thunder and Grizzlies. Pen pal. 19 out of 25. 19 of 25. Cole Aldridge is on 3 cards now. That's it for box number 2. Pen pal. Peace.